Yeah, me again. Yeah, I had a camera there on me, so I'm just gonna need to fish it out. I'm saying, I'm gonna paint that one. That's my 1939, 1909 Camaro. These are my race cars. Camaro, the Chevy Monster Truck, USA 1, V-Box, the Ford, the Porsche, and we got on the pit. That's the Chevy Pittsburgh going 1500. That's the Daytona. That's the Camaro, the Suburban. No, that was Corvette. That was Cadillac. And then here's what this car looks like. It's not even done. The wheels got blue on them. But then the paint set. That's the model part. Model parts. That's the model I can put together. That's parts. And then get all my models right there. Alright, I'll do a video of this put together sometime. It's train set. But yeah, the Camaro's got nice engine in it.